Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Coffeenow Order Coffee app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Coffeenow Order Coffee is a mobile app designed for coffee lovers who want to skip the line and order their favorite drinks ahead of time. The app allows users to browse nearby cafes, customize beverages, pay securely, and pick up their order when it's ready, making mornings faster and more convenient. It's available on both iOS and Android and partners with several local and chain coffee shops to make coffee ordering effortless. The app's main feature is its order ahead and payment system, which lets users select their preferred cafe, choose drinks from the digital menu, customize ingredients like milk type, sweetness, or temperature, and pay directly through the app. It also supports contactless pickup and provides estimated preparation times, so your drink is ready exactly when you arrive. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its smooth interface, accurate order timing, and wide range of partnered cafes. The customization options are flexible, and the app saves favorite orders for quick reordering. Frequent users also praise its integration with digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay for seamless transactions. However, there are some drawbacks. Availability can vary by location, and not every coffee shop supports mobile ordering through Coffeenow. Some users have reported occasional glitches with payment processing or delayed order confirmations during busy hours. In addition, limited loyalty features may make it less rewarding for those seeking a points-based program. In summary, the Coffeenow app may be worth using if you value convenience, customization, and time-saving features for your daily coffee routine. However, if you prefer in-store interaction or your favorite cafe isn't listed on the platform, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.